Would you buy a product from recycled material that contains toxic chemicals? No, you wouldn't. These are hazardous chemicals, worst of the worst. The first POPs, 12 of them that were banned under the Stockholm Convention, were also nicknamed the Dirty Dozen. They don't decompose and they accumulate in the living organisms. Sadly, and that's the really sad reality everywhere, we can find them in the environment, we can find them sadly even in the rain. For example, I personally got tested and I have bisphenol A in my body, which is not a pleasant feeling. These chemicals are harmful for all living beings. Some of them can cause cancer. They have all sorts of harmful properties, toxic for reproduction. They have different types of toxicity also in terms of influence of the endocrine system. They are not intentionally used in the products anymore. We knew in the past that we were using harmful brominated flame retardants in electronic products, in the very camera that's taking this video. But what we don't want to have is the harmful chemicals from the electronics that were used in the past ending up in the new product. We were updating these rules to reflect how the limits are getting stronger. We need to be even stricter based on the latest scientific evidence. So I'm happy that we include some of the latest types of perfluorinated forever chemicals that were being banned this year under the Stockholm Convention. But at the end of the day, really it's about making sure that the worst of the worst chemicals are not coming back in recycled products.